Hello there fellow classmates. In this video, I'm going to go over a quick guide on how to use Perusall. I will be going over 3 frequently asked questions, which are how to register for our Perusall course, how to find the reading of the week, and how to leave a comment on Perusall. But first, how do we get there? How do we get to Perusall? Let me show you. We want to open up Google and search up Perusall. Once we click enter, we want to click on the first link that comes up. When you click the link, this image should appear, which is the Perusall home screen. We want to start off by creating an account. So we want to go into the Perusall home screen and click get started. Once you're there, we create an account by putting in your email, your first name, last name, password, and then you want to click on I'm not a robot. And then once that is filled out, you want to click on register. So as you can see, you put in your email, first name, last name, password, and I'm not a robot, and you click on images you ask for. Now remember, you have to log in with your UTRGV email. Once you do that, we click register. Then terms of service, privacy policy, click OK, and then you want to go and confirm my email address. Once we have confirmed our email, we're going to come into this screen. What we want to do is create or enroll in a course and click I am a student. And you're going to be given a course code. I will be using an old code just to show you what you will be seeing. I will provide you the proper course code. Like I said, this is just an example. Do not use this code. And complete setup. Now, like it says, you have successfully enrolled in Spring 2022 English 1301. Like I said, this is an old code that I used in a previous class. This is not your code. I will be providing for you one eventually. As you can see, we're already signed in basically, but if you for some reason logged out or whatever, you could just sign back in, which is right here up top where it says get started library assignments. We click on assignments, and you want to click on the correct reading assignment and click on work on assignment. So for an example, I will be using this first one that is on here and work on assignment. It's gonna start off with a little tour. So it's gonna tell you yours will be in yellow, your instructors will be in blue, and so on. So all you gotta do is either go through the tour or end tour. First, we want to, go through it, read a little bit, and then let's say I want to leave a comment right here. So you want to start typing out your comment. And that is all for the quick guide on how to use Perusall. Until next time, bye.